What is the tenure of the Chief Election Commissioner of India? Answer is option B 6 years or till the age of 65 years, whichever is earlier. Friends, let's know about Chief Election Commissioner. The Election Commission of India is an autonomous constitutional authority responsible for administering union and state election processes in India, mentioned in Articles 324-29. It was established in accordance with the Constitution on 25th January 1950, celebrated as National Voters' Day. The Secretariat of the Commission is located in New Delhi. Which base is found in lime water? Answer is option D, calcium hydroxide. Friends, lime water is the common name for a diluted solution of calcium hydroxide. Lime water is prepared by stirring calcium hydroxide in pure water and filtering of the excess undissolved CaOH2. It is basic in nature. Formula is CaOH2. Maharaja Ranjit Singh Cup, Aga Khan Cup and Rangaswamy Cup are related to which sport? Answer is option A, hockey. Friends, if you understand in detail, the award was instituted in 1978. First person in to win the Maharaja Ranjit Singh Award was Pragat Singh. Lady Ratan Tata Trophy, AMCC Trophy, Nehru Trophy, Aga Khan Cup, Baton Cup are all hockey trophies. Who was the president of Indian National Congress in 1887? Answer is option C, Badruddin Tayyab ji. Friends, Badruddin Tayyab ji was the first Muslim president of Indian National Congress. He is the third president of Indian National Congress and presided in the Madras session of Indian National Congress in 1887. Indian National Congress was founded on 28th December 1885 at Gokul Dutt Tejpal Sanskrit College in Bombay and was attended by 72 delegates. Indian National Congress was founded by A.O. Hume, a retired civil servant. According to the Census of India 2011, blank has the highest sex ratio of 1084 females per 1000 males. Answer is option D, Kerala. Who among the following person wrote the book Hind Swaraj? Answer is option C, Mahatma Gandhi. Hind Swaraj is a book written by Gandhiji. Its original composition was in Gujarati in 1909. With which of the following states is the Ban Ganga festival associated? Answer is option B, Maharashtra. Friends, Ban Ganga festival is a famous annual festival celebrated in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Ban Ganga festival is celebrated in the month of January and February. The festival is celebrated in the vicinity of the Ban Ganga tank, which is a sacred water tank located in Walkeshwar, Mumbai. The festival was first celebrated in 1992. When was the Battle of Ghagra fought? Answer is option B, 1529. Friends, the Battle of Ghagra was fought between Sultan Mahmud Lodi Afghan and Babur, founder of Mughal Empire in India, in 1529. Mahmud Lodi was defeated by Babur in this battle. Who has been honored with the 51st Dada Sahab Phalke Award? Answer is option D, Rajnikant. National income received by the households is called blank. Answer is option A, personal income. Ozone layer situated in which layer of the atmosphere? Answer is option A, stratosphere. Stratosphere is the second layer of the atmosphere found above the troposphere. It extends up to 50 km in height. This layer provides some advantages for flight because it is above stormy weather and has steady, strong horizontal winds. The ozone layer is found in this layer. The blank principally performs the function of packaging materials to be delivered either to the intracellular targets or secreted outside the cell. Answer is option C, Golgi apparatus. The Constituent Assembly was formed on the recommendation of the Cabinet Mission which visited India in. Answer is option B, 1946. Friends, the Cabinet Mission consisting of members from the British government aimed to discuss and negotiate the terms of the transfer of power from the British Raj to the Indian leadership. The mission proposed the formation of an interim government and a constituent assembly to frame the Constitution of India. This assembly was formed from elected representatives of the provinces of India and nominated members from the princely states. The first meeting of the Constituent Assembly was held in December 1946 with Dr. Sachidanand Sinha as the interim president. The Deccan Plateau is a triangular shaped plateau and is bounded by the Blank Range in the north. Answer is option C, Satpura Range. Friends, the Deccan Plateau is a triangular landmass that lies to the south of the river Narmada. The plateau is bounded on the east and west by the Ghats, escarpments that meet at the plateau's southern tip. Its northern extremity is the Satpura Range. Blank is the division of the cytoplasm of one eukaryotic cell into two daughter cells. Answer is option D, cytokinesis. Friends, cytokinesis is the process by which the cytoplasm of a eukaryotic cell divides into two daughter cells after mitosis or meiosis. During cytokinesis, a contractile ring made of actin and myosin filaments forms around the cell, which then contracts and divides the cytoplasm into two parts. Who were the prime accused in the assembly bomb case that took place in 1929 Delhi? Answer is option B, Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt. Friends, Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt were the prime accused in the assembly bomb case that took place in 1929 Delhi. They were members of the Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. The incident occurred on April 8, 1929 when they threw two bombs into the Central Legislative Assembly as a protest against the Public Safety Bill and the Trade Dispute Act. On which river is the Bhakhra Nangal Dam situated? Answer is option A, Satluj. Friends, the Bhakhra Nangal Dam is the second tallest dam in Asia and located on the border of Punjab and Himachal Pradesh. The Bhakhra Dam is built on the Satluj River. It is the highest straight gravity dam in India with a height of about 207.26 meters and it runs across 168.35 kilometers. Sound and light waves both. Answer is option D, obey the laws of reflection. Which among the following is not a biodegradable pollutant? Answer is option C, insecticides. Friends, those pollutants which cannot be broken down into simpler, harmless substances in nature are called non-biodegradable pollutants. DDT, plastics, polythene bags, insecticides, pesticides, mercury, lead, arsenic, metal articles like aluminium cans, synthetic fibers, glass objects, iron products, and silver foils are non-biodegradable pollutants. Which reaction is not oxidation? Answer is option B, extraction of sodium.